Hello. Ever visited an online store, found something you loved, but lost it while browsing? With the recently viewed products app by Market Push Apps, your customers will never lose track of what they love. Effortlessly display recently viewed products on your product page, category page, or anywhere else on your site. This will boost engagement and help users make faster decisions. Now let's see how to set up the app. First, you will need to install it from the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Also, there are several ways to add the app through Wix Studio. Head to the App Market menu and search for the recently viewed products app, then click Add to Site. To use the app as a widget anywhere on your site, simply add it from the Add Element menu. Make sure to stretch the widget to make it responsive on mobile devices. Additionally, you can use the app as a plugin on the category page or product page. Simply go to the desired page, for example, the product page. Click on an empty area, then select the plugins icon and scroll down to locate recently viewed products and click Add. You can select the widget and open the Settings panel for more options. From the Settings panel, you can open the dashboard or change the design template or the number of products. For example, let's change the template here. You can also change the visibility of different fields. You can also change the design of different elements, such as the color of the Add to Cart button. From the Inspector panel, let's change it to a different color. To monitor the widget performance, open the dashboard in the Settings menu. Here, you can view the total revenue generated by the widget among other metrics. Lastly, don't forget to save and publish your site to preserve your editing. If you found this video useful, please like or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.